to Shilar's kitchen. Today we are going to do outdoor cooking and extremely healthy recipe today. It's called moong dal salad. So I have the moong dal slightly boiled. Then I have yogurt. I have some mayonnaise, sea salt, and if you like some egg, you can chop it or slice it later. Then I have boiled beetroot, cucumber, carrots, chopped onions, and crushed peanut powder. This is again optional. So it's basically being a salad, it's just to mix and match. I'm going to add beetroot here. Give it a stir. Then some cucumber. I don't think everything is required. It depends because I want it's a beetroot salad, not the cucumber salad. So I want more green moong sprouts. Then a little bit of carrots. I love healthy protein powder, natural, and some onions, sea salt for taste. I'm going to mix it first. I'm going to add the mayo, not all, the little, and the yogurt. I have this high protein 5 yogurt. And that's it. Give it a stir. If you like chopped green chili, you can add it. I like the lighter version. I might add a little pepper to it, but yeah, that's about it. Mix it well. Yep, we are going to arrange it, mix it well, arrange it, garnish it, and that's about it. Summer is coming. Make sure you watch my fitness videos too. They are more of a floor exercise routines. So stay fit and fine and eat healthy.